If you're trying to choose between the Hisense U8Q and the LG G5, the easiest way to put it is this. The Hisense U8Q is basically the super bright, looks good in any room TV. It blasts out a ton of brightness, so if you watch TV during the day with sunlight coming in, or you just like that punchy, super vivid look, it performs great. It's a mini LED set, so you get strong contrast for the price, but it still can't quite match OLED for perfect blacks. Off-angle viewing isn't amazing either. You'll notice colors shift a bit if you aren't sitting right in front of it. But for the money, it's a really strong performer and honestly kind of a wow TV for bright rooms. The LG G5, on the other hand, is just cleaner. It looks more refined. Because it's OLED, the blacks are perfect and the picture feels more natural and accurate. Movies look incredible on it, especially in the evening with the lights low. The new panel is brighter than older OLEDs, so it's not dim, but it still won't outshine the Hisense if you have a bright living room. For gaming, it's top tier, super low latency, great HDR, all the HDMI 2.1 stuff, no nonsense. So the simplest way to sum it up. If you mainly watch TV in a bright room and want sheer brightness and punch, the Hisense U8Q is the one that'll impress you more. If you care about overall picture quality, black levels, movies looking cinematic, and you want the more premium experience, the LG G5 is the better TV, no question.